Well guys, let's see how to verify Gcash account using a ePHIL ID. So let's start. In case that you have this doubt, you can visit the Gcash Help Center and it helps you to find the answer. So here you will find the answer to check how you can verify your account in case that you want to use the ePHIL. So let's go to this part that says foreign national with PH SIM. Here we'll have the tips for verifying your account. So let's see, the first one is on your Gcash app, the profile and verify now. So the number 2 is get start, and then the number 3 is read through all the requirements and reminders, okay, and tap next. Number 4 is enter the 6-digit authentication code sent to your mobile number and then tap next. Then you have to input your birthday and choose your nationality and tap next, okay. So you have to select the government ID you wish to submit for verification and then tap select ID. Number 7, scan your ID and take a selfie scan, and number 8, review your account information and tap submit. With this, you will verify your PH SIM without any problem. As you can see, it's very easy. If you have any doubt, you can also visit, as I told you, the Gcash Help Center, and you will find these tips and you can check carefully. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.